Hello guys, what's up? Today we are with the Wuben E62 multifunctional pen light. Let's open the box. Opening the box, you see some compartments here. One smaller. This one is for the USB cable for charging, I guess. Yeah, this is your charging cable, and the second one here gives you some extra surgical blades. Yeah, I think there are 5 of them. And also you have the user's manual here. I'll talk about the patches later, and let's keep digging. And here we see the pen itself. In fact, this is an interesting gear by Wuben. Wuben is describing this one as the best tactical pen with flashlights. How come? Firstly, as you may realize, there is the flashlight here, and here it has the on and off button. With 3 different levels, it gives you the flashlight. Apart from that, when you have this gear, you will also have this blade here. This is the surgical blade. It can be renewed when it's not functioning well anymore. You can cut items or anything. And the third one here, let me close this safely, is the part of the device where you can use to break some glasses. This point here. You can also use this one as a self-defense gear as well, as you wish. Here is the clip attachment. You can carry it in your pocket or in the pocket of your jacket, whatever, and I think it will not give any disturbance when you carry in your pocket. And also here is the part where you can charge your device. This is a USB port here. And something I didn't like much about this is this covering piece here. I think it could be something better. It's not fitting so well. Whatever. So I have this blue colored EDC pen light by Wuben here, and my preference would be like that. If this is a pen, I would rather have an attachment here that would let me use my mobile phone, my smartphone, or my Kindle, my other capacitive devices, whatever. But this is Wuben's preference of design, so I respect them. Now this is a dark room, and let's try the capacity of this pen light here. I'll start with the lower one. This is the lowest version, and this is 3 lumens. You can see my hand. This is 3 lumens, and it can run about 15 hours on this light. This is more than enough if you are in a tent, in a dark room, and you need to see some immediate surroundings. And there is also the medium. When you press long to the switch here with the Wuben detail, this is the medium version, and this gives you 30 lumens for 2.5 hours. This is the medium, and when you press again, this is the highest you can get from this pen light, and this is about 130 lumens to 40 lumens, and it can run on this highest version for 1 minute, between 1 minute to 45 minutes. Beam distance for this one is 7 meters, but as you all know, these devices do not function too long on the highest version, so you need to adapt your using style between the lowest, medium, and highest. Also, Wuben gives you one other option, which is the blue and red beacon lights. When you press twice to the button, you get this blue and red beacon lights, just in case you need to catch attention, in case you're in an emergency or whatever. You can use this function as well, like this. Again, we are in the light, and I will give you some more technical specifications. Wuben claims that these pen lights can stay underwater for 1 hour, up to a depth of 2 meters, because it has IP68 waterproof level. And about the dimensions and about the weight, this weighs about 47 grams, and the dimensions 146.5 millimeter to 14.8 millimeters to 13.8 millimeters. We are done with the technical part, and now let's do some cutting. And now please let me do some cutting experiment for you with my surgical blade. Firstly, here is a piece of paper. It is a brand new blade, so it cuts very well. Like this. Also, you can cut like this. Let's say you are in the nature and you need some blade, but you don't have any for some reason, and you have this gear with you. You can also use this blade to cut some fruits or some vegetables, whatever you need to cut, some ropes, anything. And what I like most about it is that you can use a brand new blade when it's not functioning anymore, so you can simply renew it. That's cool. So that is all I will tell you about the Wuben E62 for now. From now on, I'll carry it with me, on me, and I'll share my future experiences with you as well. So please keep in touch. And you can check the links below if you would like to get one for you with some discount from Wuben. And that is it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.